Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to convert your HTML template with CSS document to PDF document using a very famous library which is HTML-PDF. So it will just convert any sort of HTML document that you have with CSS styles also to a PDF document. So this is a package here. Just go to npmjs.com. This is the Node Package Manager website, official website, and search for this package which is HTML-PDF. So basically, this is the package. The very first link which appears there, just click it, and it uses Phantom JS in the background to convert this process. So you will see it is so much popular. You will see over 129,000 weekly downloads are there. So it is used by many developers around the world. So we will look at a very simple example. You can also use it on the command line also. I will show you all the examples how you can do it. So first of all, just open your command line, and here you need to install this globally. So just type npm i dash g for global and type html dash pdf. So basically it will install this library globally inside your command line so that you can use it anywhere. So I have already done that. So after doing this, simply you need a simple HTML file, and this is a syntax here. You need to provide the input file and the output file name. So inside my directory, I will create a index.html file here. So I can write any code, valid HTML code here. So let's suppose I write a simple HTML file here, a simple heading. Let's start. So I will say my name is, and let me also give it a style attribute just to provide a custom CSS. So I will style the heading here. Let me change the color to red. So basically it's a valid HTML document. If you open this, you will see red color heading is there. Now I need to convert to a PDF document this heading. So let me also change the background color of the body. So background color, let me change it to blue. So it has changed the background color to blue here, you will see. Now we need to convert to a PDF document. So right here inside the same directory, my index.html file is there. So I can invoke this command here. So we can simply say HTML PDF, and then if you just enter this command, you will see it will show you this syntax here of the command here. So we need to write HTML PDF, then followed by the input file name, which is index.html. It is there inside the same directory. This is the path of the input file name. And then the output file name, let me do this output.pdf. So now if you run this, it will create this output.pdf file you will see in the same directory. So now if I open this file here, you will see, if I open this in Google Chrome, so now it has successfully converted this. You will see my heading is successfully converted alongside with the body style. You will see this is the background color it is showing here, and all the CSS styles are preserved. So basically in this easy way you can convert a HTML file, and you can also have a, let's suppose you want to have a custom login form. You can see this is a login form. So CodePen website, let me copy this HTML code here. So this is a complex document. So let me have this alongside with the CSS also. Let me convert this. So style and paste the CSS. So now if I open this, you will see this is a complex login form. It has containing a various number of, you will see this is a login form. So if I need to convert this to a PDF document, so let me show you how it will look like. And same command will be used. Let me once again run this command, and now once again it will create the output.pdf. So once again you will see the size has increased to 6 kilobytes. So once again open this, and now you will see this is your login form which is successfully converted alongside with all the CSS properties which was mentioned inside the HTML document. You can play with these properties, just change any color, any property of your choice, and it will translate to a PDF document. So this is a very powerful library where you can customize any sort of HTML template and convert to a PDF document. and this is a Node.js library. We are working alongside on the command line. Later on, we will convert this to an Express web application where you can simply upload the HTML file with using HTML form, and then you can convert this using this library. So you can use any sort of HTML framework as well. So let's suppose I provide here a, instead of background, I provide a background image. Let me see if it is working or not. Let me provide a URL. So I have a, let me see if it is works with the images also. So if I put this background image, let me copy image address and paste it here. So if I open with live server, so you will see this is the background image which is posted here. Let me now convert this to a PDF document, and let me see if it is converting this to a PDF document as well, the background image. So now it has successfully done that. So you will see the size has increased to 287 kilobytes. So let me see. Now you can see that, guys, it has successfully converted this to a, it has also embedded the background image alongside with the URL. So you can provide any background image, just search on Google, copy the image address and paste it inside your HTML document, and it will automatically translate to the PDF document. So this is a very powerful library. You will see that I have shown you every example. You can customize your HTML to any document of your choice and play with the CSS properties and then translate to the PDF document. Now we will translate to a, now we will build a brand new application. Let me close this window and let me come out of this directory. So for all the source code, guys, I have given in the video description. Please check the video description. Later on, I will also deploy a tool on my website freemediatools.com where you will easily will be able to download this. Presently, I have this tool which is HTML to PDF. Currently, it is not working. So I have given this link in the video description. Later on, this tool will work. I will use this library. So please check the video description for source code and for this online tool as well. So now let me just make a new directory which will be HTML to PDF project. Let me go into this directory and open this inside Visual Studio Code text editor. So now, first of all, we need to initialize the package.json file with the default options. So now you will see we have this. Now we need to install Express Malter in order to upload files to the Express server, and also this library which is HTML-PDF. So we are installing it locally. So install these three dependencies. So in the video description, I have written the blog post where you will receive step-by-step instructions and all the source code. So nothing to worry about. So just create index.js in the same directory. And here we will start our Express application. So we will require the Express library, and then we will make it app variable Express, the simple setup. So we will listen on port 5000, and we will say that in the console statement, we will say app is listening on port 5000. And after that, guys, we will say that app.get. So when we load the page for the very first time, we will say request.response. We will say response.send file dir name plus index.html. So now we need to create this file index.html. So here we will simply say this HTML to PDF using HTML PDF library. That's it. So inside this, we will have a simple form. The action will be simply HTML to PDF, and method will be post, and encoding type will be multipart form data. Because we are uploading a file, that is why we need to give this attribute. So inside this, we will simply have the input file, type file, and we will give it a name to file. and it should be required. So we will only accept .html files. That's it. .html. After that, we will have a simple button of type submit. Value will be simply convert to PDF. That's it. Now we can launch this application. Let me launch it. Just type node more index.js. It will start this application on port 5000. So if I just open this localhost 5000, you will see the form is there, choose file button, where you can choose your file and convert this to PDF. So now we need to include the Malta library. So just require it. And after that, we need to have the storage as well. So just for the storage, just say Malta save extension. Just type this on Google and you will find this link. And this will have this code here. Let me just copy this, paste it. So this is just an initialization code here from Malta. So we need to create a public directory here. And inside this, we will create uploads where we will store all the files which will be uploaded. So public/uploads. So we have created this. So first of all, we need to make this as static. So we will say app.use express.static public/uploads. So this will make it as static because we are storing files inside this folder structure. So here we can pass this simply public/uploads. That's it. And for this, we are only storing single file, uploading single. So here we need to pass the name attribute which you have given inside this form here, which is file. That's it. So now we can make our post request app.post, which is HTML to PDF request response. And we can use this middleware, which is upload, and say request response. And if any sort of error take place, we can check in the if condition. So if any sort of error take place, we can console log it. And in the else block, we can just console log the path of the file which is uploaded, request.file.path. And one more thing, you need to also import the file system module, which is a built-in module. And also you need to import path module, which is also built-in. So import these two dependencies. Now we can run this application, and if I look here, if I upload a PDF document, sorry, HTML document, convert to PDF. So if I check here, you will see this file is successfully uploaded. You will see this is HTML file here. You can open this like this. So this is a path which is printed out. So now we simply need to convert this to a PDF document. So we can bring the dependency, which is HTML PDF. We can require this dependency, which is HTML PDF. So in the documentation, you will find out that this library also has its own API, which lets you create this. So you will see that first of all, you need to, let me just paste this code here for now and just rename this to PDF, the variable name. That's it. Inside this post request, when the file is successfully uploaded, so simply paste this code here. So what is doing is that first of all, we will replace here request.file.path. We are extracting the HTML which is passed here, which is request.file.path, with the help of file system module. It contains a read file method here, which is reading the content of HTML file. And then we are simply providing an option which is format of the PDF document, which is letter. And then we are creating the PDF file from the HTML and passing the options. And this output file name, you can give anything. Let me, at the very outside, we can give a name, which is output random name date.now, and we can concatenate output.pdf. So we can pass the output here like this. After it is converted, now instead of console logging it, we can download it at attachment. So this I can say response, and let me print out. Let me first of all see if it is working or not. So let me now upload this. So just wait. Localhost 5000. So basically, if I choose the file, click convert to PDF, and if I check the root directory, so you will see this output file is created here. You will see that. So our project directly, let me just go into that. HTML to PDF project. This is the directory. Let me open this, reveal in File Explorer. So this is a PDF document. You will see it has created it automatically. Currently it is empty because the HTML file was empty. Let me create, let me upload a HTML file which is containing some things here. Let me choose some file which is this one. So let me open this. And now you can see it has successfully converted to a PDF document. So it is containing source code. You will see all this styling is preserved, all the CSS. So it's a great library. Now we need to let the user download this file as an attachment. This is very easy. Simply we need to uh, the path is passed here. Let me see here if it is passed. Sorry, we can say response.download, and here we can pass the path here which is response.file name, and then we can say in the callback like this. So this will simply download the file as an attachment. So let me rerun the application. Now you can see that it has successfully downloaded this file as an attachment. You will see. Now you can upload any HTML file alongside with the background image which I have illustrated. You can take any HTML file. You can even go to any website. Let's suppose you want to, this is Free Media Tools, my tool website. Click, right click, view page source, and just download all the source code of this website and create a HTML file of this. And you can even do this also. Just create this. Sorry. Inside this, let me create html.html. Paste this. So what it will do is that let me upload this file. Localhost 5000. Go to the desktop directory HTML to PDF project. This is the thing here. You will see if I select this file, click convert to PDF, so it will convert this. It will take some time. So it is saying unknown error. Oh, sorry, it is containing some ads here. So you need to upload a PDF document which doesn't contain ads. So let me rerun this again. So you will see this is, let me create this PDF document again. Let me have the CSS. Sorry, in the style, just have this. Paste it. And inside the background, you can change, give it a URL property. And then you can provide any image. Let's suppose we type here India, sorry, Taj. So let's suppose you want to provide this image as a background. Simply copy image address and paste it here. And if you open this, you will see now this is the thing here. Now if you want to convert this, it is very simple. Just go to the tool and try to upload this file, and hopefully it will convert this. So convert to PDF, and it will take some time. And now you can see it is successfully converted this. The background image is repeating. You can just play with the CSS properties. It does have the CSS property to don't repeat the background image. So I think there is a CSS property to do not repeat background image. So it will have this property, background repeat property here. This is here. So you can have this, customize this accordingly. You can play with this. So background is saying background repeat to none, I think, no repeat. So just make this, and it, the background image will not repeat. So you will see. Repeat in the X direction. You will see. So in this way, guys, you can convert any legal HTML document to PDF document with CSS styles using HTML to PDF. We have constructed a whole express application doing this. You can also do it on the command line also if you don't want to build a huge application. So please like the video, subscribe the channel, and for the full source code, you can go to the video description link. And I will be seeing you in the next tutorial.